up to the back end. I will be using the same stock mic on the next radio. You're holding the wall, not cooking them, look on the York South, your pistol, one bang. DX plan, 12.
Alright, well, don't take too long now, because I'm going to let it run for about 15 minutes, you know. Don't want to tie up my internet. My wife would get all upset.
If I can, I just drink a coffee.
I'll just check one. Roger that, 350. Roger that, 350. Oh yeah, no doubt about it, man. You cleaned up my radio. All right, my friend, I'm going back quiet myself. Read the mail. Now, I did hear you say you were going to leave it running for about 15 minutes while I was unplugging the back hat. I did hear you say you could leave the plug running for about 15 minutes while I was unplugging that back hat. I just switched up the flavor a little bit. You want to run some of the Yorkers back on this mail? 1221 State of Maine, breaker.
Alright, well, the gate's rolling.
Alright, just for the hell of it, man, which one your eyes and ears like better? Which one do your eyes and ears like better?
I don't know. I really can't tell. They sort of sound the same.
Oh, man. Hey, 351. I thank you much. Hey, 351. I do thank it. Hey, 351. I do thank you much. Hey, 3 New York. Man radio drive.
I really can't tell, you know, it's not like I'm local and just right up the road or whatever. It's DX, so it's hard to say.
Well, hey, man, listen. Hey, when I get that kind of reply, it's hard to tell the difference. Then I guess I did my sweet Richie Diamond Cut Sound King thing up in the That's what I strive for. 351 127 back way.
Okay, well, I'm going to let this thing roll, and I'm going to walk away from here. I got stuff I have to do, and I'll be back in a little bit. And you can jump up and down. You can swap radios, microphones, diamonds, Sound King, all that stuff. Man, I'm just back quiet now.
Well, you know, I really wanted to cowboy. But the last time I said the word rhinestones, I got murdered. So, you know, I'm back quiet. 822, Renegade, Connecticut, Mobile, waving to go. 405, the guy was trying to get up here, State of Maine.
Okay, well, I left this gate rolling. I'm gone.
And I do thank you much. I'm gonna try to crack this plate. I want to shoot this plate out. I'm gonna bust this plate. You're worldwide. Oh, baby, the Diamond Cut Sound King. You're gonna get under.
Hey, there's a guy there about 30 miles south of me, and he runs a live feed on this channel all the time. So you might want to punch his numbers in there. There's a letter W2ZXL. W2ZXL on YouTube. W2CXL. Let me look at it right now. Yeah, that'll give you another perspective. You know what I'm saying? All right, we'll talk at you later.
Do you happen to know approximately where his location is? What county he in?
Oh, he's south of me. He's down in Sebring. Yep, 10-4.
Straight 8. That's 478. The whole 3 watt radio. Take care. Double deuce. Ready. Smoke or is that Dade?
That's Highlands County.
Copy of Highlands County. Okay. All right. Thank you much. What was that again? W2ZXL?
That is correct.
You gotta get a curing.
Thank you, sir.
Be cured.
Predator.
Okay, I'm trying to help the guy out. He's only got 40 subscriptions, so it probably needs to bump it up a little bit. Even though he only had 40 subscribers there, he had 4 people watching the videos, so, you know, that's pretty good. All right, we'll catch you later. Have a great day. Nice weekend.
Construction, so the Univi's work pretty good. Almost as good as a Suburban. I'm looking for the mate still Suburban so I can have a little fun. A double deuce, your Renegade Connecticut is spread out. Oh, that's a pretty looking SDR interface you got rolling, man. That's a nice looking interface you got right there.
Yeah, it is pretty nice. I don't know if he's near the computer or not. Yeah, he might be away from it.
Shit, I built it myself, so if I blow it up, I'll fix it. Hey, take care. Your Renegade Connecticut is bullet out. You know, something like don't walk to me. Sound kind of like faggot. Morning out there, DX Land 2020 Birdman. Des Moines, Iowa. Say good day. I do appreciate you, my man. Like you don't know. If I never didn't tell you, I'm telling you now.
Just trying to help you out a little bit, you know what I mean?
Hi there. You know, Hi, Kelly. You know,
You know, I can only do so much for you.
he's from New Orleans.
You're a blessing, dude. You're a blessing. You're a blessing. Especially if you're the one I think you are, and you was driveway I walked up that day. You're 127 back out.
Yeah, I'm a pretty nice guy, you know, I do what I can, you know, what can I say, and you might not be able to hear me talking on the video gate because I'm pointed north and he's south, but I can ease up in there if I want to. Alright, I'm back quiet.
Hey, man, I'm glad you stopped in. Hey, me, I was actually getting ready to go south for a little while, man. But I got a couple of things to do off the mic a little bit, so. But I do thank you for popping in. And I thank you much for your gaze. You can believe that. 8351, the hole in the wall, on Kirkland, Brooklyn, the Oak Shop, your pistol and bang.
Yeah, it looks like he already got 2 more subscribers there since I keyed up and was talking about it, though. Yeah, you can check it out on YouTube. W2ZXL, you know, 351 in Florida, waving and gone.
Smoking. I just hope he recognized the 007 smoking gun.
Boy, it's rough out there today. Hey, 350, it's rough out there today. I thought I heard, boy, it gets like 34, 2020 in the cornfield. Out here in the middle of nowhere on my 2-element Maytag.
That's right, that 350, that 350 is having a hard time now. Well, 351, down here in Florida, man, just getting on up, right here.
Hey, Deer Slayer, what's going on? How you doing down there?
Oh, Deer Slayer ain't in Florida, he's over there in Kentucky.
I know, I heard 350 in there. I was on my way out to
No, you took it all wrong. He's at his vacation station in the bluegrass. Bring her up.
Oh, 10-4, okay, vacations, okay.
Alright, you know, I gotta try to keep you straight over there.
753, Green Mountain, State of Vermont. I got the grip today.
Sure is a whole bunch of noise out there. Sure is. He had 1345. Nebraska. So we're waving a hand out here.
I'm out at 351. I'm out at 351.
I said I do not know about the kryptonite, but I do have that 3-piece break.
Hey, I'm waving back at you. Yeah, I was running a video gate here. I'm not running a live stream, but W2ZXL is running a live stream. I'm just running my own gate over here. You can find that on 351 Radio on YouTube.
Hey, 351, I want my name on that gate there, Ray. Any kind of a sloppy copy. Have a great weekend. Be safe, my friend. 753, Vermont, Northeast, standing by.
Hey, 753, you have a great weekend, man. Sounding good down here. I'm running this gate, and, what was that? Maple Man. Yeah, man, you're all over the gate, man. Also, check out W2ZXL, W2ZXL on YouTube.
New York? Well, I appreciate it. Appreciate it, 351. 351, I had a good copy on you that time.
All right, there, 351. I wrote it down there. I'll check it out. I'm just gonna sit here sandbagging, doing my day job there while my radio plays like a stereo in the background. But I heard you in there talking about the gate there. I had to get up. All right, 351, your Maple Man Station, Canada. Get it back.
Hey, no problem there, Maple Man. I'm glad you could work and also listen to the radio at the same time, man. You have a great weekend. I'm gonna quit this gate right about now and shut her down. We get back with you. We'll see you.
All right, there, 351. I'll probably start up the gate a little bit later. I usually do one gate a day, usually in the morning time when conditions are best for me. So if I get time, I'll probably start